Hey guys, what's going on? Terrence here for Orzly and welcome back to another video. Would you like to use your favorite controller on the Nintendo Switch? Well, stick around to find out how. Today, we're taking a look at the controller adapter for your Nintendo Switch. This adapter lets you use your favorite controller on the Nintendo Switch, whether it's Xbox, Sony, or last gen Nintendo. The setup is quick and super easy. No need to install software or update any drivers. Just plug and play. I've got a selection of controllers here, both current and last gen. Let's take a look at the setup for each. Before that though, we've got the most important step, and without it, your console won't be able to communicate with the adapter. Go into the system settings for your Switch, and under controllers and sensors, turn on controller vibration and Pro Controller wired communication. With that done, plug the adapter into the dock. You'll see the LED start pulsing. There's 3 modes for the LED. Pulsing means there's no connection to be found or the connection has been lost. Strobing means that it's in pairing mode and actively looking for a connection. And the solid light means the connection is made and the controller is ready to use. Now, setup is going to vary slightly from controller to controller, so I'll go through each one separately and I'll timecode them in the description below so you can skip to the one you want. Let's start with PS4. You've got 2 ways of syncing out the box, wired and wireless. For wired, just plug the cable into your controller and the adapter and you're good to go. For wireless, press the sync button on the adapter to turn on pairing mode, and on the controller, press the PS and the share button at the same time. The lights on both will flash quickly and turn solid when they're connected. For Xbox One, depending on which version you've got 2 options for syncing, wired and wireless. For wired, just plug your charging cable into the controller and the adapter and you're good to go. Wireless syncing, however, is only available on the Bluetooth enabled version of the controller, which ship with the Xbox One S and the One X as standard. If you have the controller from the original Xbox One, then it's wired only. To sync wirelessly, press the Xbox button to wake the controller. The LED will pulse slowly to indicate no connection. Press the sync button on the front of the controller above the charging port, and this will put the controller into pairing mode. Now press the sync button on the adapter, and when both lights turn solid, you're ready to go. PS3 is capable of both wired and wireless, but the initial setup has to be wired. For wired, just plug the charging cable into your controller and the adapter and you're good to go. After the first use, you'll be able to use the controller wirelessly just by turning on your Switch, then the controller. Xbox 360 only works in wired, so just plug the charging cable into your controller and the adapter, and that's it. For Wii U, you've got 2 ways of syncing out the box, wired and wireless. For wired, just plug the charging cable into the controller and the adapter, and you're ready to go. For wireless, press the sync button on both the adapter and the controller to pair them. Lights on both will flash quickly and turn solid when they're connected. As you can see from the gameplay footage, there's no lag, and the controllers are as responsive as an actual Switch controller. Also, if you have multiple adapters, you can use them both at the same time without any signal interference. And don't worry, if you're away from your dock, we've included a USB Type-C to Type-A adapter so you can plug it right into your Switch and keep using your favorite controller wherever you are. So that's the Orzly Controller Adapter for Nintendo Switch. Let me know in the comments below if this is something you need for your Switch. As usual, links will be down in the description below. And hit that subscribe button and come join in the conversation over on our social media. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.